All right, welcome back to Living Fit's 2-Minute Tuesdays on a Monday, Christmas Eve. I hope everyone's all excited for Christmas. So we thought we'd put this out on Monday, being a Christmas special, obviously. So quick 2-Minute Tuesday is going to be a holiday survival guide, and we're going to stick for 2 minutes today. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get into this. All right, so survival guide for Christmas Day and the following couple of days that always ensure all the way leading up to New Year's. People tend to fall off the wagon a little bit, which is understandable. It's the festive time of the year. But how do I get the most out of my training programs? How do I survive it? How do I not fall off the wagon too bad? So the best thing about Christmas is most meals, when it comes to meals anyway, most meals are generally, it's like a buffet style. So you pick and choose what you want. Now, remember, if you're consuming any form of alcohol during the meals, remember alcohol is the simplest form of sugar. It's metabolized as a carbohydrate. So limit the amount of carbs that you're bringing in, because you're already taking serving sizes from the wine and beer, etc. Key thing to put on your plate first is meat. Always fill up on meats. Protein is very satiating. If you're a vegetarian, then look at whatever your protein substitute is. You want to fill up on that first because it's very satiating. It fills you up nice and quick, and it'll actually stop you. If I'm filling up on proteins, it'll actually stop me from over consuming carbs, so I can enjoy the alcohol that I'm bringing in. Now, after meals, of course, like we said, most meals are a buffet sort of style. So once again, coming back to eating as much protein or as much meat as possible during the meals is also going to offset your need to probably want to overconsume on sweets and that afterwards. So meat has this sort of two-prong sort of bonus about eating as much meat as possible during those meals. So, all right, also detoxing. The best ways to detox from having more alcohol over the festive season are things like green teas. A lot of green veggies also help with the detoxification process. Remember, I don't consider green veggies as part of your carbohydrate intake, so you can have as many green veggies as you want. They're more fiber, they're more alkalizing, so they'll help offset the acidity from the extra protein as well as the alcohol. All right, 2-Minute Tuesday is done and dusted. I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas and a safe New Year. We will be back next Monday for a 2-Minute Tuesday leading into the new year, or maybe even on New Year's Day itself, for probably your way to best approach New Year's resolutions, goals, etc. So a happy and very safe Christmas, and I will see you all in the new year. Thank you.